Ay, parating na si boss. Baka maamoy ulam ka, ha?
Kahit sa matinding amoy, gandang fresh ka pa rin. Bagong Ariel with freshness of Downy. Ang galing ng bar at bleach, may dagdag ng presko ng Downy. Ang bagong simbolo ng linis at bango.
Oh, amoy ulam ba?
Ang bango, sarap nito.
Ang bango mo, mas gusto ko. Bagong Ariel with freshness of Downy.
I switched to Modest because it doesn't give me rashes. Unlike my old pad. Sa Modest, walang skin irritation. Tried and tested ko eh.
Made with cottony soft fiber, so it's more skin-friendly than plastic pads.
Modest knows me best. The #1 pad most women trust.
Ang batang Nutroplex. Para lubos na listo, Nutroplex with brain-boosting iron. Kaya buong-buo ang brain development.
Marunong din ba ako mag-English at Bisaya?
Nutroplex.
Softness makes me learn. Seductive. Softness makes me senseless. Softness is my power. Kaya gamit ko new Palmolive Naturals Milk and Rose Petals. It gently cleans my skin para feeling ko soft and sensual. Sa Palmolive Naturals, feeling ko I can get anything I want. For irresistibly soft, sensuous skin, new Palmolive Naturals Milk and Rose Petals. The power of nature in Sunsilk Extra Soft and Silky. Enhanced by science, gives you Olea Nutrium. It deeply moisturizes hair, reducing breakage by up to 80% in 1 week. Di niya puputol ang ganda.
Five Carnilote. Yan ang sarap na may lakas putina. Well, babe, she could be yours. Go on, blow her a kiss. It'll take more than fresh breath. You've got new Colgate Fresh Confidence Plus Whitening. Now with the power of Whitening Pearl. Go for it. With fresh breath and now brilliantly white teeth, man, you can dazzle anyone. New Colgate Fresh Confidence Plus Whitening.
Mami, bagong Vaseline yan. Why bago? Kasi ngayon may Amino Collagen Plus.
Why plus?
Plus protein.
Plus.
Plus vitamins.
Plus.
Plus lipids.
Plus.
Plus nourishing oils.
Why ang dami?
Para ang hair healthy, shiny, soft, and smells so good.
New Vaseline Healthy Glow Shampoo for hair that's healthy ever after.
Why ever after?
From Unilever.
Why Unilever?
Nalalaki, bago mo naman. Balaya niyan pa rin. Sagot ka kay Carmen. Mapit na lang sa masaya lang yun.
Di nyo malalaman yun. May bago akong aksyon with baking soda and citrus. Hindi lang tanggal yung dobleng sebo, tanggal din naman lang sa amoy.
Oo nga, no. Ang formula nito, may baking soda.
Ramon, ano na to? Nagbagoong ka na naman?
Ano naman ah?
Aber, paamoy nga. Mukhang meron akong di naaamoy dito ah.
Aksyon, doble sipag, suko ang sebo, pati amoy.
May bagong matunog sa kainang pambahay. Crispy Fry Bread Mix. May tamang timpla ng spices at seasonings na matunog sa panlasa ng pamilya. Crispy Fry. Crispy sarap with every bite.
Well, babe, she could be yours. Go on, blow her a kiss. It'll take more than fresh breath. You've got new Colgate Fresh Confidence Plus Whitening. Now with the power of Whitening Pearl. Go for it. With fresh breath and now brilliantly white teeth, man, you can dazzle anyone. New Colgate Fresh Confidence Plus Whitening.
Uy, yung love mo, nasa stick na. Alin? Yung favorite select flavor mo, nasa stick na. Select the ice cream stick, Walla Stick. Ngayon, get 8 select the ice cream sticks in one convenient Merienda pack, Walla Stick.
A breakthrough conditioner na pwede niyo pang tapat sa salon. Yung Palmolive Naturals Conditioner. Subukan natin sa kanila. Ikaw magpasalon. Ikaw magbagong Palmolive. Dahil sa formula na may Vita-Cream, nagbibigay ito ng 48-hour softness. Para ka na rin nagpasalon. Sige nga, can you tell sino ang nag-Palmolive? Si Tina? O si Carla? Call or text these numbers with your answer. Pag tama ang sagot mo, you have a chance to win 100,000 pesos. 48 hours na, pareho pa rin maganda. Matinding wala nito. Oh, join na! From Palmolive Naturals Conditioner, gandang salon softness.
Look! Mom's using it. There goes our secret.
Johnson's Baby Soft Lotion. Now, you too can have baby skin. The softest skin you've always wanted.
Wow!
It's the skin secret you and your baby will love to share. New Johnson's Baby Soft Lotion. Inspired by the world's softest skin.
Paramihan na magtawag to! Call for the million! Sa PLDT 10 pesos per call Paramihan Challenge, ang may pinakamaraming tawag automatically wins 1 million! Iba na lang tayo sa Cebu! Stop na otak na! I don't feel like talking about myself, no? Pero sabi ng iba, maganda raw ako. Hindi ako papayag na ganyan, no? Sa tingin ko, mas magaling talaga si Vilma. Sa PLDT 10 pesos per call, susawa na to over 20 million people nationwide! Pwede ka kayo, Mama? Yaya? Di ka pa rin naka-PLDT hanggang ngayon? Ang tagal ko na dito, ano? Pakunik ka na dahil super lapit ng pinakaabangan ng lahat. Di mo na nga na-enjoy ang 10 pesos per call. Wala ka pang chance sa 1 million at sa free installation at free phone.
Pakunik ka na.
Naga! Abang na natin to. Gulat ka, no?
Buhok na buhol-buhol? Problema talaga yan. Kaya gamit ko Palmolive Naturals Detangling Shampoo na may active fruit complex. It nourishes from root to tip. Kaya tanggal tangles. Sa Palmolive Naturals, I never worry what happens to my hair. Kasi tanggal ang tangles, day to night. Palmolive Naturals. Para sa buhok na tanggal tangles. 8 out of 10 women believe Whisper is better than other pads they've tried. With Blue Stay flat pads, it helps protect you from side and back leaks. New Whisper, only 26 pesos. This could be your skin. Pag hindi healthy ang pagpapaputi mo. Get healthy whitening from Vaseline White and Clear Lotion. It has melolipids with vitamin B3. Now, you can get healthy, whiter skin. Healthy whitening with Vaseline. From Unilever.
New Colgate Whitening Toothbrush. My first day at work, they made fun of my face. But when they found out that my soft polishers help remove stains 51% better, heads rolled. And a new team moved in. New Colgate Whitening Toothbrush. Cleans so well, it helps whiten.
Look who got off! The boss! Sunsilk's Mirror Mirror of the Boss Ball got free ride. 1 million peso grand prize winner, Miss Cindy Gonzaga!
Salamat, Sunsilk Relax and Control. From buhaghag now, I'm totally buhaghag free. Magtatapos pa ako ng walang gas si Daddy.
Life-changing din for the millions of now Buhaghag free girls to join. Thank you from Sunsilk, from Unilever.
This is Alita, where you witness an awesome sight.
Get super soft, super smooth, fabulously beautiful hair from Cream Silk. Because nothing conditions like Cream Silk.
Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection with liquid calcium and fluoride now has been improved. Colgate gives up to 2 times better cavity protection. Colgate with liquid calcium and fluoride, maximum cavity protection.
If your soap really cleans, why can't you feel it?
Your face deserves a deeper clean you can really feel with Pond's antibacterial facial scrub. Feel the micro scrubs. Release all dirt and germs from your pores. So you feel a deep clean. And with each wash, you feel more beautiful. Feel a deep clean soaps can't give with Pond's antibacterial facial scrub. Feel deeply clean, deeply beautiful from Unilever.
Jollibee presents While You Were Eating, starring the new Jollibee Chicken Torpedo. Critics say it's a 2 thumbs up, a must-eat, rated 5 stars. Now selling.
Tabi! Clear the area!
Anong cause of death? Hindi amoy kemikal, hindi lata insecticide.
Clean wood that by natural causes. But only an insecticide can kill that fast!
Introducing the new generation Raid Max. Now with lemon cell, an ingredient extracted from nature. Giving Raid's killing strength.
A fresh new scent.
New Raid Max with lemon cell. A fresh way to kill.
Para tanggal tangles, gamit ko Palmolive Naturals Detangling Shampoo with Active Fruit Complex. It nourishes para tanggal tangles day till night. Palmolive Naturals, para tanggal tangles.
Great start from small beginnings. Reach early for your dream. Face the day with a new challenge. A chance to be better. A chance to become your dream.
All the natural goodness of Milo, plus energy-releasing Actogen E.
Growing up with Olympic energy. Growing up with Milo. Growing up with Olympic energy. Growing up with Milo. Milo every time.
Hindi madali ang maging OFW mother. Ipadama sa kanya ang iyong pagmamahal. Tawagan mo naman siya ngayong Mother's Day.
A breakthrough conditioner na pwede niyo pang tapat sa salon. New Palmolive Naturals Conditioner. Subukan natin sa kanila. Ikaw magpasalon. Ikaw magbagong Palmolive. Dahil sa formula na may Vita-Cream, nagbibigay ito ng 48-hour softness. Para ka na rin nagpasalon. Sige nga, can you tell sino ang nag-Palmolive? Si Tina? O si Carla? Call or text these numbers with your answer. Pag tama ang sagot mo, you have a chance to win 100,000 pesos. 48 hours na, pareho pa rin maganda. Matinding wala nito. Oh, join na! From Palmolive Naturals Conditioner, gandang salon softness.
Hindi madali ang maging OFW mother. Ipadama sa kanya ang iyong pagmamahal. Tawagan mo naman siya ngayong Mother's Day.
Well, babe, she could be yours.
Go on, blow her a kiss.
It'll take more than fresh breath.
You've got new Colgate Fresh Confidence Plus Whitening. Now with the power of Whitening Pearl. Go for it. With fresh breath and now brilliantly white teeth, man, you can dazzle anyone. New Colgate Fresh Confidence Plus Whitening.
Noong bata kami, Ate Jeline, ako ang nagluluto pag wala si Mami. Ang hirap, kaya nagsikap akong pagbutihin ito. Marami akong sinubukan. Kahit simpleng hotdog at pork and beans, sumasarap pala with Del Monte tomato sauce at spicy sausage. Salamat sa mga lutuing tulad ng sausage surprise ni Galanfano, lumaki ang kanyang pamilyang pusog sa pagmamahal.
To the moon, Nescafe Ice. Cold water, ice, and shake. Nescafe Ice. Do the move.
I always give Sabine my best. That's why I gave her Progress Gold. Guess what? She skipped nursery. Accelerated.
Only Progress Gold has the gold brain and body formula to
to help accelerate brain and body development. From 1 year onwards. Help your child accelerate with Gold. Progress Gold.
Para tanggal tangles, gamit ko Palmolive Naturals Detangling Shampoo with Active Fruit Complex. It nourishes para tanggal tangles day to night. Palmolive Naturals para tanggal tangles.
Now, what do you see?
Mango tree! I see your
You're right.
When he starts school, he needs balanced mental development. Support this with learning tools and proper nutrition. Enfakid A+ with DHA and ARA plus SA to help nourish both sides of the brain.
I see you right now.
Right! Great!
Enfakid A+.
Hoy!
Uy!
Healthy skin? Di mo pigil haplasin.
Boy!
With Vaseline Lotion. Healthy nourished skin? Sarap haplasin.
Ngayon ako na ang nag-aalaga kay Itay. Lahat ng gastos sagot ko na. Nakabudget ng panggamot, pang-check-up, pati na rin yung mga biglaang gastos. Buti na lang may maaasahan.
Jerry Lopez, bunsong anak, padre de pamilya. Bagong PS Bank Money Card. Ito'y personal loan na makukuha anumang oras sa ATM o personal check. Bagong PS Bank Money Card. Tulad mo, maaasahan.
Pagdating sa feminine area, pH Care lang ako. Sa akin compared to soap, longer lasting ang freshness and fragrance with pH Care.
I use it every day. I feel no side effects.
Feel clean and fresh with pH Care. Also an affordable sachet.
Nokia 3230. Serious, finds fun.
Dati pa, madas na ako. Love ko yung crisscross.
May 18 anti-leak channels.
Never ako nagka-leak. At dahil may odor control, nobody can tell I have my period. Ba't pa magta-try ng iba? Yung matagal na natin trusted to. The #1 pad most women trust. From Cream Silk comes hair that's softer than a salon conditioner. Kahit di mag-salon conditioner, you get super soft hair 7 days a week. Everyday softness from Cream Silk.
We are the champions of the
Your little ones can do great things with Dumex 1 Plus. The only one with Maxi 2 Plus DHA. Trusted by doctors to maximize physical growth and brain development. Makes them fitter, brighter. With Dumex Precision Nutrition, every child is a champion.